2012 Mini Clubman base. And the reason I'm bringing it home from the garage is that it's been there for 2 weeks. And they've been working on trying to figure out what's wrong with it. It's got a check engine light, doing some weird stuff. And the diagnosis is it needs a head gasket. So the garage, nice guys, great guys, super knowledgeable. They gave me an estimate to take the head off, put a new head gasket on, rebuild the top end of the motor, new timings, chain, all that stuff. $6,000. I paid $5,000 for this car just about 4 months ago. It's a nice car. It's got 80,000 miles on it. It's cosmetically beautiful. Runs great other than this problem now. So that leaves me with a decision to make. I have to either sell this car with a head gasket problem and lose a bunch of money. I could try to mask that problem and sell it on, which I would not do. That's not cool at all. What are my other choices? The best solution I can come up with is welcome to episode 1, season 1 of my new YouTube series, Jim Learns How. You guessed it. The idea is I'm going to learn how to do this job myself. I have never, ever worked on a car. Not like this. I've been around lots of car guys. My dad's a car guy. My best buddy's a car guy. I've held plenty of wrenches. I've changed a starter. I put an alternator on a car before. You know, I can change my spark plugs. I'm pretty handy. I have done a ton of work to my house, but that involves 2x4s and not torque wrenches. So, my plan is to get this car home, put it in my garage, and right now it's December 14th, 2020. Thanks, 2020. You've been great. My plan is to put it in the garage and sometime towards the end of January, tear into this car and learn how to fix it myself with the help of YouTube, both in watching videos of other guys doing this, and I've already started watching, and you guys. I'm hoping that you all will take this journey with me and help a basically totally inexperienced do-it-yourselfer learn how to do a fairly complicated repair to his car. So I've got about a month or so that I want to start acquiring tools, parts, and most importantly, help from you guys pointing me in the right direction. Links to videos, tips from stuff that you know that I don't know, things to watch out for. I've already discovered some really great stuff on YouTube. I'm going to give a shout out right away. First thing to the Mod Mini channel. Super knowledgeable guy. I've watched his video series on doing this exact same thing. And maybe together we can walk this average idiot through a fairly complicated repair. So that's the plan. I'm going to follow up this video with a little bit more of an in-depth look at the car and my tool situation and where we're starting from, and we'll get into it, and hopefully in something less than 1,000 hours I will put this car back together and we'll be ready to roll again. So come along with me, won't you, as Jim learns how to fix his Mini.